This is Jules.
Hi everyone.
Oh yeah, that's heavy.
It's probably pushing 22, 23 I'd say.
But you got all the gear. We're fully laden for this one. It's going to be hopefully a somewhat, not too strenuous hike. Lovely camp. There's piss. Oh dear. I like rock. Rock. Oos. It's a full body workout. Broken through to the beautiful rocky outcrops. So nice bit of walking for maybe, I don't know, 50 metres, 100 metres. There was definitely thoughts of turning back there for a minute. But I think we're doing well. Just trying to target the higher elevations and the rocky outcrops to get through this shit. This is beautiful open country though. Beautiful. So there's been a bit of flagging through this area, which at the moment I'm very thankful for, but in some ways I guess this is a wilderness area, you probably shouldn't be flagging. So I've done the ultimate stuff up and dropped my emergency positioning device. I had it clipped to my pack, but stupidly clipped to the one strap place, and that strap's randomly come undone. So one of the cool features though with this is that if we can get back within say 20 to 50 metres, my Bluetooth will sync with it and I can ping the device. So that's what we're trying to do, but we just, how far back did it happen? That's the big question. We did not have any success, but we are about to be reunited with Jules's pack, and we got a little bit of reception up on the plateau, so messaged home and said, yep, just having a bit of difficulty with the messaging, i.e. I dropped it. The biggest concern for us with losing it, besides, you know, losing a $350 device, is that our loved ones will be a bit concerned when we don't message tonight when we get to camp. But yeah, getting that reception's all good. So just checked in with them and said almost at camp. And then obviously if there was an emergency, but we know we can just scoot up to the plateau there and get a little bit of reception. So we're all good, and hopefully tomorrow when we hike out, I'll just have the Bluetooth enabled, and if we get within say 20, 30 metres of it, it should connect up and I'll be able to ping the device. You can make like a ping, ping, ping. So that's our fallback plan. But yeah, not ideal. It's a really good lesson for me to make sure I double clip it. Like I had it strapped on and clipped on, but unfortunately I had it clipped and strapped to the same strap, which has come undone. We should be fine to get to camp, but we sort of anticipate that we have a bit more time up our sleeves. Yeah, we're pushing it a little bit. We are about 30 to 50 metres from our destination, and it's been a lot more adventurous than we had anticipated. The gorge is just starting to open up, which is beautiful. Hopefully there's actually a nice spot here. Oh wow. So maybe that last 4 hours of scrub bashing was worth it. Oh my God. Woo. We made it. Wow. Just here's a little cave where when I did some work with bush search and rescue, we found some hikers. Holy shit. That view. Wow. Over there, ka-ching. Oh. Oh, rivalry. Woo! We just need to do a bit of pruning. I'd never do that. This is Jules, everyone.
Hey, first hike in 10 years and you bring me here.
I'm sorry. It was a little bit more hectic than I had anticipated, but I think that's the standard for every single hike I do. I'm like, it's just 3 Ks of bushbang, how bad can it be? It's quite beautiful. Yeah, that was pretty rubbish. Wish I put, now I'm cold.
Patchy bad. Good.
It would have been fine had I not lost the Zoleo, right? Like,
yeah.
Because we would have got here an hour earlier. Good old freestanding tent. Ah, home sweet home. I always feel so much better once my little house is made. I poo-pooed this tent when I first saw it. I was like, oh, it's too heavy, too heavy. Yeah, but now I love it. It's just so simple and bomb-proof. How good is it? Are you jealous?
I'm jealous.
Jules bought his like car camping one.
Caught on every tree on
Every tree. But the thing I'm really excited for is your culinary feast of lamb chops. So 0-1 degree tonight. Brought some pretty hardcore, thermals. Both using Neve Gear quilts, which are meant to go down to -6 and -9, so we should be nice and toasty. But certainly a nip in the air already. Don't normally like boots, but they were nice and waterproof. Super comfy. Oh my God, my favourite food.
Just marinated in rosemary and
What?
honey.
Oh my God, can you hike with me more often? Look at that. Oh my God. Oh my God. I have never eaten lamb cutlets on a hike.
What do you got to do it more often.
And feta, what is that for?
It's for the salad.
What? Jules is making mulled wine. For one? For one?
There's a litre, so you can probably have a fair amount. At least I think there's a litre.
Great, great. So you not only brought the entire amount of dinner, you also bought a litre of wine.
A litre of wine in a goon bag. The classic Australian goon bag.
Pretty excited to be on this culinary journey with Jules. Normally I just eat food out of a bag, so mulled wine and all this deliciousness is very exciting. What is this though?
This is just honey.
Honey mixed
with some, I forgot the cloves, so it's just cinnamon stick, cardamom pod, and honey, and some maple syrup, whatever we had left in the pantry.
So good.
And red wine.
And then we put the wine with it and just give it a little...
Just give it a little spritz on the fire. God, this fire is hot.
Oh my God, I'm just loving this. Is this something like you always bring on your camping adventures?
No, I hardly ever have camping adventures. Like if we were doing car camping, I would like something like this. Like
this is so good. I feel a bit sorry for poor Jules because I did say, oh yeah, mate, like, you know, you'll be a bit of bush bashing, but it's only 3.5 Ks. It'll be pretty
right.
chill. Yeah. And I've, you know, plotted this course on the rock platforms. But yeah, it got to a bit of a big day. We started probably a bit later than we had anticipated, and then I lost my Zoleo, which wasn't great. So we spent about, what was it, almost an hour going back for that?
Yeah.
It was a lot of bush bashing.
Yeah, a bit of bush bashing.
Tomorrow we'll spend a bit of time in camp just chilling and enjoying, and then make that arduous trek home.
Yeah, I'm not looking forward to that last little hill.
The last hill?
We did.
Your pack will be like 8 kilos
10.
lighter. A litre of wine,
Yeah, it'll only be 30 kilos.
2 litres
instead
of beer,
38. Yeah.
litre of water, a couple of litres of water, a couple of kilos of damn chocolate. At least 8 kilos lighter.
Jesus, this is a lot of
Oh.
wine.
I've got a bigger.
Do you like red wine?
Yeah, well, yeah. Do not drop the wine. Feeling pretty secure there.
There would be an even bigger catastrophe than the Zoleo.
Dropping a litre of wine is a bigger catastrophe than losing your personal locator beacon.
Yeah.
Look at this. Oh my god, let's have a close-up of that. This is what you get when you go camping with Jules. I should start a backpacking company with you as the caterer.
Camping with Jules. Oh yeah, that'd be awesome.
He's got honey in it.
Honey, garlic, rosemary.
So this is a guy that you should just invite on all your hikes because this is what you get.
Yeah. I'll be selective with my hikes, so no bush bashing. Thank you, boy.
Alright. Jab. Oh my god, they smell
They smell good,
divine.
don't they? There's a lot of food here, Kate.
It's so
Sorry.
good. Oh mate,
There's
never
feta,
enough food.
so you're gonna need a second bowl or something
what?
for your salad.
Look at this. Okay. Look at you. I should have carried more stuff,
Oh,
sorry.
I'll let you do that.
We have to eat everything because we're not carrying any of this out.
Roast veggie,
Did you
pomegranate.
make this?
Yeah,
Buy that.
pomegranate
What?
and pearl couscous with feta.
Oh,
Yeah, should be
Wow.
should be alright.
you made this.
Yeah, I mean, made is a strong word. It's like roasting some veggies in oil.
Oh, well you didn't buy it from Ainsley IGA. That's
No.
made it. Wow.
Wow. Got some of it.
This is lamb cutlets. Mmm. Oh my god.
Really good.
That is the best thing I've ever eaten at a campsite ever. Ah. Coffee number 2. Oh, yeah. Very nice. So this is my little sleep system setup. I've got my Neve quilt and at the moment I'm rocking a little Big Agnes, pretty comfy pad and just a little Cedar Summit pillow. I originally got into quilts because I was, trying to shave weight and be ultralight and all that sort of hoo-ha, but I think the reason that I'm sticking with them now is just because these pad straps are just the absolute game changer for me. I'm the sort of person that loves to toss and turn and, belly sleep and side sleep and back sleep all through the night, and I just get the best unbroken sleep with these because the pad straps hold it down, and in like a conventional sleeping bag you sort of got to, shimmy and, contort yourself and move around, whereas these you can just jump in and just flick left to right, and yeah, it just stays put. Okay, let's blow this popsicle stand. Do-do-do.
It's actually probably only about 600 grams.
I remember the first time we met face to face.
Packed up camp,
Kiss on my neck,
done a nice little check,
how could I forget
left no trace.
something like
On the road.
that happened, yeah. Wasting my time, losing my mind over all this wasted time. I know I'm patient, but baby, give me a chance. We'll do whatever you say. I can't afford to cry any more tears. You turn into all my fears. I want you with me. I want you.
Touch wood, we're making pretty decent progress. It's very hot work though. We just stumbled across the holy grail of walking out here. You know, it goes from pretty hectic bush bashing to like these beautiful, beautiful rocky open areas. You just got to string them together, hey?
This is where we lost it before. We're at a river. It's a rough time ahead. Straight through.
Looking great.
Bit lighter here.
Yeah, I've definitely lost my Zoleo. Silly, silly move. Oh, best lessons learnt, aren't they? We're lucky we had a fair bit of reception there on that trip. But I'll be definitely clipping it onto a different part of my pack.
Oh, now we're within spitting distance of the pub at Nerriga.
Rightio, we're back at the fire trail. Great adventure, never found the Zoleo, but shit happens. Catch you on the next one. See you, Jules.
See ya.